Did you know an entire crew watched their ship sink and not one person warned the king? In 1628, Sweden launched the Vasa, the most powerful warship the country had ever built. King Gustav II Adolf personally oversaw its construction. It was supposed to be a symbol of Swedish dominance. Weeks before it sailed, officers ran a stability test. They had 30 men sprint back and forth across the deck to see how the ship handled. It started rocking so violently they had to stop. The ship was going to sink. Everyone involved knew it, but no one told the king. Not one officer, not one engineer. Because telling the king bad news about his prized warship felt more dangerous than saying nothing at all. So on August 10th, 1628, the Vasa set sail into Stockholm harbour. It travelled about 1,300 metres. A gust of wind hit the side. Water poured through the open gun ports, and the ship went down. The Vasa sits in a Stockholm museum today, perfectly preserved, a monument to what silence costs.